Hello, welcome back to Galvix's YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. Today we're going to talk about Nexus rules in District of Columbia. Now, if your business sells to customers in District of Columbia, then you may be required to collect and remit sales tax even if you're not physically located there. Now, this guide covers when you're considered to have Nexus in DC. So let's get started. Firstly, what is sales tax nexus? Simply put, it is a connection between the state and your business that obligates you from collecting to collect sales tax and remit it to the state. Now, when do you know you have it? In two conditions: one, physical nexus; two is a economic nexus. Now, physical nexus is basically whenever you have a physical presence in the state, such as an office, warehouse, retail location, inventory, or employees. Even if a remote employee is working for your business, that also counts towards physical nexus. And if you have any temporary activities in terms of sales, then that also counts towards triggering physical nexus. And if you have this, then you will have to register yourself for sales tax and start collecting and remitting it to the state. Now, if you don't have a physical presence, then you may need to look at something called economic nexus, which is based on your sales volume and number of transactions over a specific period of time. Now, for DC, you need to have a threshold of $100,000 or 200 transactions. So anything beyond this will be calculated as you having an economic nexus in the state, and you will be obligated to start collecting sales tax and remitting them. Now, the major confusion comes when we need to understand what exactly counts towards that threshold. This is where a lot of businesses get it wrong. Now, I'm going to answer this in three major questions. First, are marketplace sales excluded from the economic threshold calculation? Now, in DC, they are not excluded, they are in fact included. So, which means that even if you sell on marketplaces like Amazon, Etsy, eBay, any other marketplaces which collect tax on your behalf, even then those sales are collected towards your threshold, which means that you will need to count those to see if you meet the threshold or not. Now, another one: are wholesale or resale transactions excluded from the economic threshold? Again, they are not excluded, they are in fact included. You will need to keep all the necessary documentation, of course, in case that's needed by the state. Now, the third and the final question is: are non-taxable or exempt sales excluded from economic threshold calculation? The answer again is no, they are not excluded, they are in fact included. Again, you will need to keep the documentation handy. Now, once you have calculated all of these, now if you cross a threshold of $100,000 or 200 transactions, then you will be required to register on mytax.dc.gov portal. Now, you can check out our tutorials on the Galvix YouTube channel. If it's not already there, it's going to be upcoming, the DC's tutorial, and that will help you understand how you can get your sales tax certificate. In case you need help, we are a sales tax compliance solution. We take care of all things sales tax, starting from helping you with your Nexus tracking with a simple system, to getting things registered and helping you with your filing. So we do all of that. Check us out down below, www.galvix.com, and like if you like this video, and let me know if you have any doubts in the comments below. Subscribe to this channel for more things on sales tax, and I'll see you again. Take care. Bye bye.